The Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission, SUPARCO, has achieved a major milestone with the successful launch of Pakistan's first hyperspectral satellite HS-1 from the Chinese Satellite Launch Center. HS-1 is equipped with advanced hyperspectral imaging technology, capable of capturing data across hundreds of narrow spectral bands. This capability will enable precise monitoring and analysis of land use, vegetation health, water resources, and urban development. The satellite is expected to significantly enhance national capacities in areas such as precision agriculture, environmental monitoring, urban planning, and disaster management. Its high-resolution data will support improved resource management and strengthen Pakistan's resilience to climate-related challenges. In addition, HS-1 will contribute to development initiatives, including the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC), by identifying geohazard risks and promoting sustainable infrastructure development. The successful launch of HS-1 marks a pivotal step forward in Pakistan's space program and reaffirms SUPARCO's commitment to leveraging space technology for national development. This achievement also highlights the long-standing collaboration between Pakistan and China in the peaceful exploration of space and its application for socioeconomic progress. Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar commended the scientists' technical teams from Pakistan and China working on HS-1 for their commitment, professional excellence, and exemplary cooperation.